Hey beauties, it's Daisy here, and today we have a transparent deep wave wig from Megalook. They sent me this brown color. I believe it's in the color 4, and it's so pretty. I love the curls, and this install was super easy. So I'm showing you guys now how the wig looks after I bleached the knots and I plucked this wig. I actually over bleached it just a tad bit. You want to keep in mind, if you have a lighter wig, you don't have to leave the bleach on as long as I did. So my mistake, but it still came out flawless. I am cutting off the lace and it was really easy. I love the hairline because it wasn't just like a straight like wrap around circle kind of hairline. It has some little depth and texture to it. And this is how the wig is looking after I wet it. And I love it. It's so pretty. So we are just going to install this wig using Gots to Be glue. To lay my baby hairs, I am using some styling mousse. The good thing about styling mousse is it really helps you control styling the baby hairs, but it does sometimes lift your lace if it's not dried completely. So I should have let it dry a little bit more, but you're gonna see towards the end, you're not gonna see any of the lace. So you just put some more Gots to Be glued on there and it will hide that lace. So just never mind that. Just focus on these swoops, sis, and we getting them right, okay? So one thing about this wig is the bleaching time that you use to bleach the knots. You want to cut it in half because it is brown and I made that mistake. But I am using some dark brown eyeshadow to cover up those little bit of hairs there. And as you can see, this frontal is a little bit more on the thinner side, which wasn't my favorite because you can see that track a little bit. But once the hair dries completely, you're not going to see it at all. So I'm just correcting that color and just making it look as natural as possible. And voila, here is the final look. You can't even tell that the knots were over bleached. Everything just looks so good. I love this curl pattern, and I want to thank Megalook for sending me this hair and you guys for watching. And until my next video, I will see you there later.